You can have the most sophisticated predictive models in the world, but if your controllers can't act on their outputs and behave well as a feedback-driven system, not much can change. Here's something that doesn't get talked about enough. You can have the most sophisticated predictive models in the world, but if your controllers can't act on their outputs and behave well as a feedback-driven system, not much can change, not much can scale across a large well field. So the first question is simple. What proportion of your producing wells have on-site controllers? They're the controllers that are going to be available within an RTU or a PLC on your well sites. Less than 25%, that immediately limits what's possible at a network level. More than 75%, and you have a real foundation to build on, a real way to scale the different analytics that you can have running to help coordinate and optimize those controllers. The second question is, what about the actual design of those controllers themselves? Are they traditional controllers like a PID controller? Are they adaptive controllers? And most fields have these, they work, but they have static parameters. You need to set one or more parameters and they're fixed until an engineer or operator changes it manually. And they can be quite resilient, but they can also fall behind. If system dynamics change, stability and failure risks can emerge. Model predictive control and AI-augmented model predictive control, these are progressively getting more advanced and more predictive and dynamic. They're helping respond better to non-linear and changing conditions. And they're really what make network level optimization actually achievable. MPC can be difficult due to the availability of sensors that vary across wells. AI-augmented model predictive control is emerging as an advanced process control technique to help combat this challenge. The gap between where most fields sit and where they could be is in terms of their control and automation capability, and it's one of the most under-leveraged opportunities in production operations. And it's exactly what this step of the assessment is designed to help you explore, because nowadays it's not all about OT systems, it's about the connectivity of OT and IT systems and how we can build more advanced supervisory control solutions that can leverage more advanced analytics within them.